Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Yeada here. For those of you that are new, or welcome back to another day in the life with Yeada. Today's video, we are headed out because my niece, Peek, there she is. We are going to the Color Factory today. She wanted to go. It was between the Color Factory and the what was it, Vea? The Museum of Ice Cream. Yep. And she chose to go to the Color Factory. So somebody got a good progress report. Yes. So we headed out for a little Saturday fun day. Usually be a Sunday fun day, but today is Saturday fun day. So yeah, we're about to head out. We have tickets reserved for 2:45. So we're gonna go there. Probably, I don't know, we might get food out there, stop somewhere else, who knows. But we are for sure going to the Color Factory. And I'm taking y'all along for the ride today. So it should be fun. I feel like the inner kid in me might come out today. So yeah, it should be fun. You excited? Mm-hmm. She over there eating now. So we just waiting for my mom to get ready. And then we're going to head out. So I'll see y'all when we get to Chi-Town. What's up, y'all? We just made it downtown. Yep. The Willis Tower. So yeah, I'll check in when we get inside because we're running a little behind schedule. This is so cute in here. So this is the mirror room or mirror maze, because she said you might run into a mirror. So y'all, they got us blind testing Pop Rocks, and then we have to like guess what flavor. So like all the Pop Rocks are the same, but we're supposed to guess what flavor we think are the Pop Rocks. So let's see. Let's see. You can see the colors.
Yeah, you can.
You gotta taste it. Come on, bear.
And then do we pop it in your mouth?
Yeah. Okay. And then you're supposed to do something with this. Okay. I'm gonna change this. This is yellow. This is definitely yellow.
What is this lemon? Okay.
These good though.
Yep. Can we do the next one?
Okay.
Oh, you gotta put which color you think it is.
So
I put yellow.
number 2. You hear popping?
Yeah, I heard it.
That last one. Thumbs down.
Yeah.
It's not good. You try number 5?
Did you make it?
It's nasty. It's nasty.
I can't taste that.
So y'all, these were the answers to the Pop Rocks. Why were we wrong? I'm sorry. We were wrong the whole time. Hey, with the glasses. Let me see. You look even them knock the thing off. Slide in the cart.
Oh, nice.
They match me.
Okay, y'all, that was so much fun.
And in the circles here.
It ain't. What's over there?
There's people over there. There's circles.
Y'all, man, did you have a good time?
Yes.
Y'all, it was so cute in there. It was so fun. Be cracking me up. She got my whole niece doing a whole photo shoot. Like, she like lay down on your stomach, put your feet up, kick your feet. Like, so yeah, we just got done, but it was so cute in there. Y'all have to come and check out the Color Factory. Look at them. Y'all, we doing this TikTok. If y'all follow me on TikTok, y'all already seen me and my mom do it. She said she wanted a redo.
Yeah, I'm going to.
Look at her, look at her. All right, come on, Bea.
How you going up?
Yeah, get ready, Ma.
Get the sound. Look at the sound.
All right.
Go. Hey y'all, so it's the next day. I know y'all probably looking like, girl, what is going on? Like, y'all, I'm sitting there editing my vlog or this vlog and I'm like, where's the outro? Duh, I didn't even record an outro yesterday. So here we are. It's the next day. I'm looking a little cray cray, but it's okay. Like, it's all right. So just disregard how I look. But anyways, I had to come back and do a recap, of course. The Color Factory, y'all have to go to the Color Factory. It was so much fun. Like, we had a ball from beginning to end. Like, every room, you're gonna enjoy it. Like, you don't even have to take little bitty kids, because clearly my youngest niece, she didn't go. Like, it was just me, my mom, my oldest niece, and we had a ball. Okay, every room they give you like little treats for you to take out or something for you to take away. Every room was really cute, by the way, too, but this one little room was so cute. They have you put on the headphones and you your like partner or whatever is on the other side of the little plexiglass thing. And you put these headphones on, the guy is talking to you, he's telling you like what to do with your partner, and yeah, it was super cute. But we had a great time, y'all. Y'all got to see us do our little TikTok, which I'm gonna put the TikTok on the screen so y'all can see it if you don't follow me. But if you don't follow me on TikTok, go follow me on TikTok. And yes, y'all, what else? We ended up going to Joe and the Juice. So all the TikTok girlies be talking about this Joe and the Juice. First off, I'm very picky when it comes to like certain foods and stuff. So like green juices and like smoothies, I'll eat my greens and I'll eat my fruits. Like, my mom got a cucumber, pineapple, and apple juice, like green juice. I tried it. My niece got a like strawberry banana smoothie. The consistency, it was just too thick. I'm like, no, I'm sorry, but you ain't gotta worry about me when it comes to buying a green juice and all these different things. Like, I'd rather eat my greens and vegetables. So yeah, but yeah, so that was cool. And then we ended up eating at Giordano's for the night, which y'all already know Giordano's fire. So, but other than that, like, we really enjoyed ourselves. Hopefully y'all have enjoyed the vlog. I tried to vlog as much as possible, so sorry for the shakiness, because my hands just, I be trying to have my hands steady, but I didn't have my tripod. So yeah, but hopefully y'all enjoyed the vlog. If so, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Glamour Squad. Follow me on Instagram at glamour_chick and TikTok at Yeada_B. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.